Come along with me in this informative video as I talk about the current Vision Jet market, talk about detailing this Vision Jet, and also discussing Jet Stream products for use on the pneumatic boots and other areas of an aircraft. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it.
Good morning, departure Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey there, buddy. Hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for coming along in this video. In this video today, I'm just going to talk briefly about what I'm doing here. It's a rainy day here in Nashville, so I'm in the hangar at John C. Toon Airport, and I'm standing in front of this Generation 2 Plus Vision Jet, 90 Delta Papa. It's my personal aircraft, and I just finished detailing the exterior, which included some spray wax on the exterior and removing any bugs and contaminants from previous flights. I've also cleaned up the wing boots a bit. In case you don't know, the Vision Jet has pneumatic boots on the leading edges of the wings, as well as the horizontal stabilizers, and those provide icing protection. And so it's nice to keep those cleaned and updated periodically. And I happen to use Jet Stream products. They were very nice and provided me with some complimentary products to use on the aircraft, but I have been using Jet Stream products for several years. So I was accustomed to using them, but do thank them for sending the materials. This is a otherwise non-sponsored video though. And in this video, I'll talk a little bit about the process of preparing the wing boots and then sealing them using the Jet Stream products two-step process. It's a PBS system, and it does a very nice job at cleaning, preparing, and ultimately sealing the wing boots of Vision Jets and other aircrafts. So behind me again, we have 90 Delta Papa, G2 Plus Vision Jet. And also want to take this opportunity to update you a little bit about the Vision Jet market right now. The market's still holding strong with all three generations. The Generation 1 Vision Jets are still holding their value, as are the Generation 2 and 2 Plus Vision Jets. So you see plenty of them for sale, but there's over 650 Vision Jets in the fleet now, so there's about 5 to 6% of the market that's currently for sale, and that's pretty healthy for the market. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about is that while this is an Arrive, which was once a special edition Vision Jet, now all Vision Jets are being delivered in the Arrive color schemes and design. So everybody purchasing a new Vision Jet, at least for the current time forward, will be purchasing Arrive Special Edition Vision Jets, which are technically not that special anymore, but in any case, it's a nice design. You get some interior upgrades, and also obviously the exterior of the planes look really, really sharp. There are various color schemes available, and this happens to be, again, the stellar color scheme, which I find to be really, really appealing. So in any case, in this video, I'll talk to you a little bit about wing boot preparation, and hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. I like to use 3 different Jet Stream Aviation products on the wing boots of the Vision Jet. One of the three products is also used to remove bugs and other contaminants from the exterior of the aircraft and works really, really well. It is called the Quick Turn Quick Detail System. It goes on really, really well and does an excellent job at removing bugs and contaminants between flights. In terms of preparing the boots and ultimately sealing the boots, Jet Stream Aviation Products has a two-step system known as the PBS de-ice boot system. The first product goes on as the PBS Prep. It is the yellow colored solution, and it removes any oxidation and contaminants from the exterior of the pneumatic boots. You have to be really, really careful putting it on. Typically you want to use gloves. You want to also mask off the painted areas adjacent to the pneumatic boots so that none of the PBS Prep gets on any of the paint surfaces. If you do happen to get a little bit of the PBS Prep on paint surfaces, just remove it as quickly as possible. It won't do anything in terms of damaging the paint, but if you left it on there, it could perhaps cause some blemishes. Once you've cleaned and thoroughly prepared the pneumatic boots, you would then use the second step of the process, which is the PBS boot sealant. And it goes on and provides a nice clean sealant and luster to the pneumatic boots. So again, this two-step process is referred to as the PBS de-ice boot system through Jet Stream Aviation Products. Again, this video is not sponsored, but I have been using Jet Stream Aviation Products for 3 years now or so. And again, between flights, you can use the Jet Stream Aviation Products dry wash system known as Quick Turn. You simply spray it on areas in which you want to clean and remove it with a clean microfiber towel. It does an excellent job at removing bugs and contaminants, as you'll see here. I'll demonstrate how it's used on the pneumatic boots. As you'll see, it goes on quite easily with the spray bottle. You simply spray it on the areas in which you want to clean and use a clean microfiber towel in a uniform fashion to clean the areas in question. After the Quick Turn has dried, there's been some overspray from the Quick Turn product on the painted surfaces on the upper surface of the wing. So you want to use your favorite dry wax product to remove any of the overspray. If you want to find out more about Jet Stream Aviation Products, check out their website at www.jetstreamproducts.com. They're located in McKinney, Texas. So you can check out their website. They have a wide array of aviation products for cleaning your aircraft, and I think you'll enjoy doing business with them.
Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. And I can't thank you enough for your questions, comments, and feedback. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.